I'm back! Hello mga beshies and welcome back to my channel Tony Time Vlogs. And I'm very happy kasi we have another cooking vlog for today. So sa mga di pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below and hit that bell button too para updated kayo sa aking mga bagong videos. Okay? So another cooking vlog and I'm very excited to share my knowledge with you because I'm not really going vegan pa tuturuan ko kayo ng healthy dishes. So, yung first na in-upload ko, it was yung meatless spaghetti. Ito sa vegan spaghetti. I'm sorry kasi ang ginagamit ko na word nun is TVE or vegetable extender. Mali po ako doon. It's called TVP or texturized vegetable protein. Okay? So, ngayon, magluluto tayo ng vegan siomai. So this vegan siomai, we will still use TVP or texturized vegetable protein and we will put beef cubes para may beef flavor siya. So let's see how it will taste, if it will taste like the real siomai. Okay? So once again, sa mga di pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, subscribe, click that subscribe button, hit that bell button para updated kayo sa mga bago kong videos. Okay? So shoutout pala sa aking tito na vlogger din. Tatay Ber, hello po, kumusta po kayo dyan? And thank you so much Tito for helping me out with my channel. So, I'll see you soon once bumalik ko dyan sa Manila. Okay, so let's start. Ano ba ingredients na kailangan natin? Let's watch.